Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about force, which is a class 8 chapter subject science. So let's begin with it. Today's this video is going to teach you about how to define force with example. You'll be able to state the effects of force with daily life example. You will also be able to identify the kind of change force make in the given example. So let's begin with it. First of all, brain teaser for you. Spot the commonality among the pictures over here. So, yes, you have observed it right. In all the pictures, you can see one thing is common, that is either pull has been depicted or push, and that's force. So, let's learn a little more about force. What is a force? A push or a pull, when it is applied on an object, it's called force. And a force can change the state of an object from rest to motion or vice versa. And to let a force come into play, two or more objects must interact with each other. Effects of force on an object. So what all it can do is, it can make an object to move from rest. Force can stop a moving object. Force can change the speed of an object if it is moving. Force can change the direction of a motion of an object. Force can change the shape of an object. So let's understand this one by one. Very common examples I have taken from your daily life, which will help you to understand. Change the shape. When the force is applied on any object, it changes the shape. For example, inflating balloon, pressing the sponge, stretching the elastic, and you can think of a few more examples. Second one, change the speed. When a moving object is being applied any kind of external force, it changes the speed. It can increase or it can decrease. Can you think of a few more examples wherein speed of the object you think is changing just because of application of the force there? I'm sure you'll be able to do one. Change the motion. Actually, force changes the motion. When object is at rest and force is applied, it comes into motion. And when something is in motion, either it changes the speed, reduces, or ultimately it brings it at rest. So I'm very sure you'll be able to recognize this cricket icon, that is Virat Kohli. So here in his playing the flick, and by that ball changes its direction, and that shows the third effect of force here. So let's recapitulate what we have learned today. Force can change the shape of the object. It can change the speed of the object. It can change the direction of the object. Right. So it's enough for the day. And what we are going to do in the next class is, you are going to see this video very, very carefully, and we are going to do certain activities related to that. And let's see how observant you are. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.